Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage poriyal. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including a medium head of cabbage, some split yellow lentils, and your favorite spices. Next, finely chop the cabbage into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Remember to soak about 1/4 cup of split yellow lentils for 10 minutes before you begin. Now let's start the tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of ured dal, letting them splutter. Then, add a few curry leaves, 2 chopped green chilies, and 1/4 cup of chopped onions. Sauté until the onions are translucent, then stir in the soaked lentils and a pinch of turmeric powder.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. And on another note, cooking can be thirsty work, so staying hydrated is key. Check out the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your tempering is ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Add all the finely chopped cabbage to the pan and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of water over the cabbage, then cover the pan with a lid. Let it steam cook for approximately 8 minutes, or until the cabbage is tender crisp. Almost there. Now, season your cabbage poriyal with salt to taste, mixing it in gently. For that authentic South Indian flavor, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. This adds a wonderful texture and sweetness. Finally, garnish with a handful of fresh cilantro before serving your delicious cabbage poriyal hot as a side dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.